In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome with new ways. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Internet Options. Click on Internet Options under the best match. Now here in the Internet Properties window, we have to simply click on the Connections tab. And here you have to locate Local Area Network LAN Settings. Click on the button. Make sure Automatically Detect Settings is enabled and there is no proxy enabled. So do not check this option and then click on OK. Then click on the Advanced tab. Click on Restore Advanced Settings. Click on Apply and click on OK. Next method. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type CMD. We are going to run some commands. On the right pane, you have to select Run as Administrator. So the commands will be posted in the description section of this video. First command is NATSH space winsock space reset space catalog. Hit enter. Next command, NATSH space INT space IPv4 space reset dot log reset log dot txt. Okay, NATSH space INT space IPv4 space reset log dot txt. Hit enter. The next command, ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then press the Windows key and letter R button together again for the next method. Type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Locate your connection or your Wi-Fi. Make a right click and then you have to select Properties. The same thing if you are connected to Ethernet. Now locate Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Now here choose the first option, obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically, and try to check if the problem has been fixed. If not, you need to click on the second option. Use the following DNS server addresses. So type in here 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate, type in here 8.8.4.4 and click on OK, and then close all these windows. Then for the final method, click on the Start button, click on the Settings icon. Here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on Network and Internet. Scroll down and you will find Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, you'll find Network Reset. Click on that and click on the Reset Now button and click on Yes. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.